Today, we're checking out something that could potentially be a game changer for your setup. The question you want to ask is this the ultimate budget microphone arm for podcasters and streamers? We'll find out in today's video. Now, as a disclaimer, Fifine they send this device out to me, but they have no input into what I say about it, as I've been eyeing to buy one for myself even before they send this out to me. So they'll be seeing this video at the same time as the audience is on my channel. So the video is going to be released at the same time, and they're going to be seeing that video just at the same time as you, my awesome viewers. So first I want to talk about is the unboxing experience and my first impressions and the aesthetic view of it. So cracking that open, the box that comes with it, the first impressions for me is that it feels premium. The packaging is sleek, but we'll see what it delivers on the inside. Inside the box, we've got the star of the show itself, the Fifine BM66 high profile microphone arm. It's got some weight to it really, which is a good sign, and we've also got some instruction manual and a sturdy desk clamp for getting that rolling on your desk. Now, to talk about the key features and the specs of this mic, and because it's not really a technology gadget that has all the wires and stuff inside it, but we'll talk about the physical structure of it and what I think about it. So let's break down what makes that Fifine BM66 really special for your setup. First off, this arm right here, oh, you hear that sound, it's built like a tank. It's made from heavy duty metal, and this can support up to 2 kilograms of microphone. That means that it could support this microphone right here. This is my old Samsung G-Track Pro, not Samsung G-Track Pro. It means it can support this microphone. This microphone is about 1.6 kilograms. It can support this microphone quite easily. The Logitech Yetis and the Blue Sonars of this world, the Shure SM7Bs, it can support those effortlessly. And the next one, which is crucial to me, is that it's designed to reduce vibrations on your decks to an extent. Now, I'm shaking my table a little bit here. I'm not sure if you can hear the distortions in the voice, but you let me know in the comment section. But I think for what it offers, for the budget, for the price, I think it does a decent job at that. So some of the keyboard clicks might not be picked up in your sound and all that. I'm not sure if you can hear that, but let me know in the comment section. And also there's a cable management groove right here. So this is my setup right here. I'm just gonna move this a little bit closer here. This is my setup, and I have an XLR and USB cable running into this Fifine Tank 3 microphone right here, and it's tucked away nicely, although they could do a great job at actually making that groove a little bit bigger so you can take multiple microphones. But I think for the budget, for the price, for the groove, my cables go in perfectly and I have no complaints whatsoever. Finally, for me, flexibility is key. The microphone clamp is 360-degree rotatable. It means that I can tuck this microphone away when I'm not using it by just doing that. Literally, I'm free to roam. I'm free to do whatever I want to do in my setup. Although I have my stand, my setup that I use for recording, where I have this stood up. I have it on wheels so I can move it around in my desktop. But when I'm not using this, but of course it's mostly gonna be here all of the time this way, but when I'm not using it, I think that rotatable feature makes it handy for me. And I can also tuck it away this way. So whichever way your flex is, I think this is really good to go for you. Let's talk about money. The Fifine BM66 high profile microphone arm at the time of this recording is priced at about $59.99, and the question you want to ask yourself is it worth that price? Well, considering the build quality, the features it offers, the performance, I would say this is a good investment for your setup. I've been eyeing to actually buy one for myself. Now, the competition for this are priced around the same pricing, so it's not expensive, it's not cheap, but at the price point it comes at that middle range, I think this is a good investment for your setup if you are into high profiles. Although if you're looking for low profile mic arms, you could check out the BM low profile arm for Fifine, which is the one I'm using on my primary desk here, and that's the one back there. You could check that out for yourself. But I think for this kind of interaction videos, for my podcast setup, where when I resume my podcast, this is gonna be the microphone arm I'll be using for that setup, and I think it's really awesome for me to go. I I'm a high and low profile guy depending on whatever I'm doing. So that's just it for me. That's my personal use scenario of microphone arms. Let me give you a breakdown of the pros and cons of this microphone arm right here. On the pro side, the build quality, I will say, for the price it offers is top notch. It is built to last. Of course, probably I will do a long time review of this if it lasts till then, and if not, I'm just gonna probably do a post that hey, it's broken, but hopefully not. But I think the way it's built, the feel you have for it, I think it's built to last really. The noise vibration is good enough for good audio, but I'll suggest if you're gonna be vibrating in your table quite a lot, I'll suggest to actually get a microphone that actually has good vibration rejection inbuilt into it, maybe with a shock mount, because generally mic arms are not the ones designed to do vibration. That's just one side, but I think it offers good enough vibration rejection, but it's not a microphone itself, so don't expect like bells and whistles out of that. And I also think the flexibility and the range of motion is fantastic for me, and the cable management is nice. It's a nice touch for me for my clients. The primary reason I've been looking to get this even for myself before Fifine sent this out to me is that I could pass in my XLR and USB cable just into it, so I could record on my phone and my computer at the same time, and I could probably arguably still pass a 3.5mm cable for the audio monitoring inside here. Well, that's for another setup in a long time. Now, on the con side of this, I think this could be a little bit taller. And that is my personal opinion. For my kind of setup, I wish this was a little bit taller so this could tower above my monitor, because my monitors are actually raising with monitor arms, but I don't use it in a monitor setup, so that was not a deal breaker for me really. If I am so concerned about that, I could literally just get a cheap riser arm on Amazon and then just slam it on there. Now, for the final verdict on this one, why should you buy this one? That is the question you want to ask yourself. Is this for me? I'm a content creator, I'm a podcaster, I'm a YouTuber, I'm just starting out content creation. Should this be my first microphone arm? If you like a look like this, or when you're sitting down you like something that towers above, I think this will be the right one for you. So if you're a content creator, if you're a podcaster, if you're a musician, and you're looking for a high quality, durable microphone arm that offers flexibility and a decent amount of vibration rejection or reduction, this would be an excellent choice for you. It's particularly good for use with heavy microphones, and if you switch between sitting and standing positions, I think this will also be a great microphone arm for you. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. It really helps the channel, so thank you very much for doing that. And if you have questions about this mic arm or want to share your own experiences, drop them in the comments below. I would love to hear from you. I always love to hear from you guys in the comment section. And also, one thing I almost forgot is that I will drop the link to purchase one in the video description and also as a pinned comment, so you can check that out without having to read through the videos or description or watch an entire video for it to see. But if you watch up until this time, you definitely are interested in this one, and I think, yeah, check the comment section and the video description for that one. And of course, don't forget to subscribe. I need that notification bell to stay updated on my latest tech reviews and creator tips. Thanks for watching this video, and I think you probably are gonna like this video or this playlist next on my channel. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.